Hey there, mini chefs! Are you ready to have some fun in the kitchen? Today, we're going to embark on an exciting culinary adventure together. We're going to learn some super cool cooking skills that will make you the star of your own kitchen show. Get ready to become a cooking star. Imagine yourself as a top chef, creating delicious dishes that everyone will love. We'll learn how to mix, measure, and spread like real chefs. Cooking is like magic. You take simple ingredients and turn them into something amazing. We mix different ingredients and make yummy food. It's like a science experiment, but tastier. Are you excited? Let's get started. But first, we need to make sure we're all set and ready.
Before we begin, let's remember safety first. Clean hands are happy hands. Always wash your hands with soap and water before touching food. This keeps our food safe and clean. And when you're using kitchen tools, be careful and ask a grown-up for help if you need it. Safety is the most important ingredient in any recipe. Now, put on your imaginary chef hats and let's cook. Imagine you're in a big kitchen, ready to create something wonderful. Let's make some magic happen.
Mixing and stirring are like dancing with your food. We mix ingredients together to make yummy flavors. First, put the ingredients in a bowl. Then, use a spoon to stir everything together. Move the spoon around and around like you're drawing a circle.
You can also use a whisk for mixing. A whisk looks like a giant funny spoon. It's great for mixing things quickly. Keep stirring until all the ingredients are friends and look well combined. Now you're a mixing master.
Measuring ingredients is important to make sure our recipes turn out perfectly. When we measure correctly, we ensure that the flavors and textures are just right. It's like following a map to reach a delicious destination. We use measuring cups and spoons to get the right amount. These tools help us be precise so our dishes taste great every time. Whether it's a pinch of salt or a cup of flour, accuracy matters. Measuring cups come in different sizes. Each size is designed for specific quantities, making it easy to measure both large and small amounts. Some are big and some are small. The larger cups are great for ingredients like flour and sugar, while the smaller ones are perfect for things like baking powder or cocoa. We use them to measure things like flour, sugar, and liquids. Each ingredient needs to be measured accurately to ensure the recipe turns out as expected.
Measuring spoons are like tiny cups. They are perfect for smaller quantities and help us add just the right amount of ingredients. They come in different sizes too. From a tablespoon to a teaspoon, each spoon is designed for a specific measurement. We use them to measure smaller amounts, like spices and extracts. These tiny amounts can make a big difference in the flavor of our dishes. Always check the recipe to see how much of each ingredient you need. Following the recipe closely ensures that you get the best results. Measuring carefully helps us become amazing cooks. With practice, we can master the art of measuring and create delicious meals every time.
Spreading is like painting on your plate. It's a fun and creative way to make your food look amazing. We use a knife or a spoon to spread things like butter, jam, or frosting. These tools help us get a smooth and even layer. Hold the knife or spoon flat and gently move it across the food. This way, you can control the spread and make sure it covers the surface nicely. Try to spread it evenly, like you're coloring inside the lines. This makes the food look neat and appetizing. Spreading makes our food look pretty and taste even better. A well-spread layer can enhance the flavors and make each bite delicious. You can spread peanut butter on bread, frosting on a cupcake, or even mashed avocado on toast. Each spread adds its own unique taste and texture. Experiment with different spreads to find your favorite combinations. Remember, always be careful when using a knife and ask a grown-up for help if you need it. Safety first, so you can enjoy your delicious creations without any worries.
Now let's use our awesome cooking skills to make yummy sandwiches. You will need bread, peanut butter, and jelly. First, take 2 slices of bread. Use a spoon to spread peanut butter on 1 slice of bread. Then, use another spoon to spread jelly on the other slice of bread. Put the 2 slices of bread together. You did it. Now enjoy your yummy sandwich. You can also add other things to your sandwich like sliced bananas or strawberries. Be creative and make your own special sandwich.
Congratulations, mini chefs! You've learned some awesome cooking skills today. You can mix, measure, and spread like a pro. Remember, cooking is all about having fun and trying new things. Don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen and create your own delicious masterpieces. Now you can impress your family and friends with your amazing cooking skills. Go out there and make some magic in the kitchen. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun cooking adventures. Until next time, happy cooking.